Play.Ht review. Watch before using. Play.Ht is a cutting-edge text-to-speech TTS platform designed for creators, educators, and businesses who need high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers. Whether you're producing videos, podcasts, e-learning content, or simply need a professional voice for your projects, Play.Ht offers an impressive suite of features tailored to your needs. It stands out with its library of over 900 AI voices in 140-plus languages and accents, making it versatile for both global and niche audiences. The voices sound incredibly human, with options for tonal adjustments like pitch, speed, and emphasis, giving you full creative control over the final output. One of Play.Ht's most powerful features is its advanced customization. You can fine-tune speech with SSML tags to add pauses, control pronunciation, and even incorporate emotions. This feature is a game changer for those who want their audio to resonate deeply with their audience. It also integrates seamlessly with popular tools like WordPress, making it easy to add voiceovers to websites or blogs with minimal effort. Another highlight is the ability to create audio playlists or RSS feeds, which is particularly useful for podcasters or content marketers looking to distribute their work across multiple platforms. Play.Ht also excels in accessibility and speed. Its intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can generate professional quality voiceovers within minutes without requiring technical expertise. Plus, the platform offers cloud-based storage, so you can easily save and access your projects anytime. For businesses, the ability to create branded voice avatars ensures consistency and uniqueness in customer-facing content. However, it's not perfect. While the free plan provides a decent introduction to the platform, its features are quite limited. Most of the advanced tools, like the ability to export audio in multiple formats or access premium voices, are locked behind higher-tier subscriptions. This might be a drawback for those on a tight budget. Additionally, some languages and accents feel less polished than others, which is worth noting if your audience relies heavily on regional-specific content. In summary, Play.Ht is a robust and feature-rich TTS tool ideal for anyone needing high-quality voiceovers. Its range of voices, customization options, and integrations make it a top choice in the market, though its best features come at a premium. If you value professional sound, creative control, and ease of use, Play.Ht is worth considering. But weigh the pricing against your needs before committing to a plan.